Written and spoken communication skill. SY become same for 2020-21. Who composed the poem Ecology? Option C. A.K. Ramanujan. Name of the kite made by Mahmud for the Nawab. Option D. Diamond. What is the color of the pollen fog of the champak tree? Option D. Yellow. What is the color of the pillars of the poet house? Option A. Black. The musical kite made a sound like a dash when it rose in the air. Option C. Guitar. Why is the wine not pure? Option A. Because it contains the fragrance of pollen. Op- Question 7. What does the tree give to the daughter and the cousin? Option B. Flowers. Question 8. Who seeded the champak tree? Option B. The poet's mother. Question 9. How many champak trees are mentioned in the poem? Option B. 3. Question 10. The champak tree are days away from the poet's house. Option B. A mile. Question 11. With what is Ali compared? Option D. Banyan tree. Question 12. Where does the elder son of Mahmud work? Option C. Local junk dealer shop. 13 question. Mention the figure of speech used in the line. House whose walls had ear and eyes. Option B. Person personification. Question 14. What did the mother keep on her hand to subside her headache? Option A. Cold pack. Question 15. How old is the champak tree? Poets. Option B. As old as the mother. Question 16. Where did the pollen spread? Option C. Street. Question 17. Mahmud's shop was sold to a dash. Option D. Fruit vendor. 18. What does the champak tree give as a legacy? Option D. Migraine. 19 question. To whom does the champak tree give a legacy? Option A. Daughter. 20 question. Once Method sold his kite at rupees that each. Option B. 4. What was the mood of the poet when he entered the home as a mention in the beginning of the poem? Option C. Angry. 22. To whom are the flower of the champak tree offered? Option B. Poet's mother. 23 question. Giving the meaning of shift has used in the poem Ecology. Option A. Sieve. 24 question. What is the poem Ecology about? Option B. The relationship between humans and nature. 25 question. Who prevented the poet to cut the tree? Option C. Poet's mother. 26. Who composed the poem Television? Option B. Roald Dahl. Roald, Roald Dahl. 27 question. What is the remain scheme of the poem Television? Option C. ABBA. 28. How does the children watch television? Option B. Gaping at the screen. 29 question. What did the poet see on the floor of the house where he visited? Option D. Eye bells. Question 30. Mention the position of the children when they watch television. Option C. Lol and slop. 31 question. What can mothers do when their children watch television? Option A. Household chores. 32 question. What kind of book would the children read in the past? Op- Option D. All of the given. A. Tales of smugglers, tales of pirates, tales of cannibals. 33 question. What do the children not do if they watch television? Option D. All of the given. A. Fight, B. Kick, or C. Punch. According to the poet, what kind of machine is television? Option D. Ridiculous. 35 question. What would be the initial reaction of children to remove of television? Option D. All of the given. A. Kicks. B. Hits. C. Screams. How did the kite appear which was made for the Nawab for the first time? Option C. Crawling serpent. Question 37. According to the poet, what does children not understand? Option D. Fairyland. 38 question. What is the killed by television? Imagination. 39 question. Television make children dash A. Dull. 40 question. According to the poet, what should be installed in place of television? Option C. Bookshelf. 41 question. What did what did the children get entertainment before the invention of television? Option B. Read the books. Give the other word for string. A. Twin. 43 question. According 43 question. According to the poet, television rots the days of children. Option C. Sense. What does the poet appeals to the parents in the poem television? Option D. Throw TV set away. Where were the book found? Option D. All of the given. What does the poet call a television? Option C. Monster. Give the other word for a child used in the poem television. Option B. Tot. Give the meaning of cumbersome has a mention in the story The Kite Maker. Option A. Very large. 49 question. Dash color kite was given to Ali after his kite had been struck in the tree. Option D. Pale pink. 50 question. Where does the younger son of Mahmud live? Option A. Pakistan. Thank you.